Okay, move this shipment to the main production line.
Roger that. Worker A, keep it steady.
Are the density metrics stabilizing according to the FIFA specifications?
Yes, the spectral analysis confirms a perfect match. We are good to proceed.
The stress analysis on the base structure looks good, but we need to verify the gold alloy density here.
Agreed. Let's run the simulation again, focusing on the spire connection.
The curvature here seems slightly off from the original specifications.
I agree. Let's smooth out the transition where the figures meet the globe. Ensure these dimensions match the holographic projection exactly. I've cross-referenced it. The precision is within the acceptable margin for the gold plating. The curvature looks perfect here.
Agreed. The tolerances are well within the FIFA specifications. The internal diameter is exactly within tolerance. Excellent. The surface finish looks perfect as well.
Double-check the temperature curve on panel 4.
Looks good. We are ready for injection.
The temperature is stabilizing right on schedule. We should maintain the current flow rate. Agreed. The alloy looks consistent.
Slow the descent. Angle looks correct for the molds. Copy that. Flow rate is steady.
Core temperature reaching target parameters now.
Acknowledged. The crystal structure appears flawless.
All right, clear the levers. We have separation.
Engaging the extractor arm. Lifting slowly now.
Be careful around the engraving here.
Yes, I'm using the softer compound now.
The deviation on the lower curve is minimal, well within tolerance.
Agreed. The CMM confirms the thickness is uniform across the base. The laser engraving department is ready for the handover.
Confirmed. The transfer is proceeding smoothly.
Check the specs on sector gamma. The reading is marginal.
Confirmed. I'll run it through quality control again.
Focus on the lower curve, it needs more shine.
How is that?
Much better, very smooth.
We need to ensure the curve here matches the exact specification.
Yes, the tolerance is extremely tight on this section.
The scan on the football globe shows a minor deviation near the seam.
Is it within the acceptable tolerance?
Just barely. Run the thermal test again.
Check the alignment on the malachite.
Looks good. Proceed with the vacuum seal.
Alignment complete. Tolerance is within spec.
Confirmed. Ready for sealing.
Check the alignment on this joint.
Looks secure. The balance is steady now.
The calibration here seems slightly off. Look at the readout.
Yes, I see it. Let me apply the adjustment torque now. Okay, remeasure.
The purity levels look stable for this batch. Good. Let's increase the cycle time by 10 seconds on the next tray. Confirmed.
The scan data confirms perfect smoothness and shine.
Excellent. The finish is absolutely pristine.
The magnetic track alignment is perfect, heading into finishing. Copy that. Maintain current velocity.
That section looks flawless now. Yes, the surface integrity is perfect for the final coat.
The definition on this latitude line is slightly off.
I noticed that too. A quick pass with the micro chisel should fix it.
The deviation on the lower hemisphere is minimal, well within tolerance.
Yes, thermal expansion is consistent across the gold plating. We are clear for the next stage.
Confirmed.
Cross-referencing the scan data now. The curvature matches the schematic perfectly.
Confirmed. All parameters are within tolerance.
Zoom in on this anomaly near the base. Running a secondary analysis now, the surface deviation is negligible.
It is perfect. The reflectivity index is stable at 99.8%.
Cycle progression looks optimal. We can proceed to stage 3.
That's it, nice and smooth on the lower field. We need a perfect mirror finish here, right? Making sure the compound is fully cleared.
The surface consistency is nearly perfect. Look at the deviation here. Yes, the localized finishing seems complete. We can proceed.
The climate-controlled chamber ensures the trophy's surface is perfectly stabilized before the final polish. Centered and stable. Begin the locking mechanism.
Locking confirmed. Proceed with rotation.
All parameters are confirmed. The craftsmanship meets the required standard. Agreed. It's ready for plating. Very good. Let's sign off.
Check this seam right here. Still seeing some particulates. Okay, let me hit that with the blower. Looks good now.
Are the levels consistent around this seam here?
Yes, the coverage is flawless. We are good to proceed.
Be careful around the figures.
Yes, the detail is very delicate here.
The surface deviation is less than 5 microns here. Confirmed. The localized scan on the malachite shows no subsurface defects.
How is the polish on this edge looking? It's reflecting perfectly. The finish is complete.
The etching on 2014 is flawless at this magnification. Confirmed. No anomalies detected on the base.
Maintain the circular motion right here. See the grain?
Yes, perfectly smooth now.
Good. One final pass, and we are done.
The data on the lower hemisphere looks slightly inconsistent with the reference model.
Let's run the algorithm again. Focus on the depth map variance near the base.
The structural integrity is confirmed. Every detail matches the schematic.
Verified against the production reports. It is authorized for completion.
Running the final scan on the curvature now. Looks good.
Agreed. All parameters are within specification. Final verification complete. Status check complete. We are approaching the handover zone.
Acknowledged. Proceed to luxury packaging.
Lowering the asset now.
Clear on this side. Ensure the pressure seals are tight.
This measurement is critical right here. Confirmed. The fit is precise.
The curvature here has to be exact to the millimeter.
I've adjusted the laser path on the schematic.
Good, let's test the fit now.
Ready to lift. Steady now, watch the handles. Approved. Lower it gently.
Easy now. Slightly to the left.
Perfect. It's seated correctly.
Locking mechanisms engaged.
The pressure differential is stable and the ultrasonic scan is clear.
Borescope confirms the primary latch is fully engaged.
Finalize the report. We are good to go. RFID scan complete. Data matches Manifest 12B.
All parameters are within tolerance. Affix the seal.
Check Article 4B on the manifest.
Yes, cross-referenced. It matches the manufacturing ID.
Latch secured and sealed. Verify the hologram.
Confirmed. The seal is active and the barcode is logged.
Watch the ramp angle. Secure it right here. Copy that. Straps are tight. It's secure. We are ready to move.
Convoy 1 proceeding on schedule. ETA revised to 1500 hours. All units maintain formation.
Sierra 1 to control. The asset is secure and undergoing final inspection. We are initiating the opening sequence. The engravings look pristine, and the security seal is perfectly intact.
Agreed. It's ready for display. The polish is flawless.
From raw material to a finished masterpiece, the journey is complete. Behold, the FIFA World Cup Trophy.